presses the green light like a tiny final knife, cutting through the morning hush before the sun decides to rise. The wood stove cools inside the room, the ash turns grey, the embers die. A woolen scarf, a ticket stub, away to things we had to hide. He thinks to clear the digital shelf, but paper ghosts still cling to wood. The radiator ticks slow and thin in a house that feels too loud. And the past is in the clay, not on a screen, not in the air. It's in the knot of the door frame, the grain of the old oak chair. Every scratch a memory stays, even if the pixel goes away. The bone remembers every mark, and it won't let the day begin. He watches heat rise from a pot, steam that smells of yesterday. A jar of jam, a scratch record, spinning in a static grate. Heart tries to burn the leatherhead, the envelope with peeling tape, but smoke grows up and hits the wall and leaves a line he can't erase. Time is not a forward stream, it bruises when you close your fist. The rust returns to iron gates, the stain returns to white tablecloth. You cannot scrap the past away, no matter how you twist the wrist. And the past is in the clay, not on the screen, not in the air. It's in the knot of the door frame, the grain of the old oak chair. Every scratch a memory stays, even if the pixel goes away. The bone remembers every mark, and it won't let the day begin. The cut ticks on the wooden shelf, a second hand, a silver vein. He locks the door and goes outside, but keeps the frame of yesterday inside his head, inside